Welcome to all the children of the class 10 for the first lesson of English Reader, a letter to God. At this video, we are discussing thoroughly about this lesson. A letter to God, author is G.L. Fuentes. Characters: Lencho, an innocent farmer. His wife, his children. He has many children. Elder children were assisting him at the field. Small ones were playing near his house. We have a post office, a postman working in that office. We have a fine postmaster and his employees. So only main character is Lencho and postmaster. So let us see the story. Lencho was an innocent farmer. Farmer we can call tiller or peasant, many names are there. His house was on the crest. Crest is nothing but top of a hill. He wanted, so everything was fine. His field was ready for harvest, good harvest after some time. But what was required was rain. He wanted a downpour, heavy rain or shower for a good harvest, at least little rain. So rain was the need to have good harvest. He was praying. He was telling his wife who was cooking his supper. She told, it may rain if God willing. After some time, while they were having their supper meal, rain started. As he predicted, as he foretold, rain started. He became extremely happy. He went and his family members also joined to enjoy the rain. It is not only rain, and it is very much essential and helpful for him to have good harvest. He was telling his wife, these are not raindrops. Big drops are 10-cent pieces and small drops are 5-cent pieces. He was enjoying. His children were playing in the rain. Hailstones, since rain became heavy, hailstones started to fall. Lencho compared the hailstones to silver coins. So the children were trying to collect it by telling it as frozen pearls. The children have given their own name, frozen pearls. So unfortunately, rain continued and continued. 1 hour over, heavy rain, and field appeared as if totally white, as if covered with salt. Heavy rain destroyed everything. He was telling, a plague of locust would have left something. Even if grasshoppers in plenty attacked his field, something would be remaining. Here nothing is there. Rain destroyed everything. So that day night, sorrowful night, because he is not going to get any yield from the field. How to run his family? Sorrowful night, and he was telling, we will go hungry this year. Nobody will help us. At that time, in one corner of his mind, yes, I have one hope, single hope. What is a single hope? Help from God. God is the help of the helpless. So God will help me. And this man is strong, very strong theist. Theist is nothing but a person who has so much faith in God. Strong, very strong man in the faith of God. So he decided to ask help from God. So he wrote his letter. Even though he was a farmer, he knows how to read and write. He went to the post office the Sunday and he wrote a letter. His first letter to God. In the letter he asked 100 pesos from God. God, I need this money to sow the field again and to live until the crop comes. So it will take some time, maybe 2 months, 3 months, till the time he has to manage his family and to buy seeds and plow the land again, he needs money. His demand was 100 pesos. So he dropped the letter and came back to his home. The postman opened the letter and he started to laugh. Immediately he went to the postmaster. Sir, never in my career as a postman, never in my service as a postman, I saw such a letter to God. To God, I don't know this address. He was laughing and laughing. Postmaster also laughed for one moment. Again he became serious. You see this faith of the man. What a faith. How much faith he has. So Lencho having correspondence with God. So he decided to open the letter. When he saw that letter, there was a mere goodwill not enough. He needed money. 100 pesos. He put part of his salary. He collected money from his employees and he requested his friends, several of his friends, to contribute something for an act of charity. But he was able to collect only 70 pesos. He decided to give that 70 pesos to Lencho. He put in a cover and he was waiting for the reaction from Lencho. Then the following Sunday, this man came, Lencho. When he saw the letter, he became angry because he was counting only 70 pesos. And he with anger, he wrote his second letter to God. God, send me the rest. I need 70 pesos. I need 30 pesos. Already you have sent 70 pesos. I need the money. Already we told to sow the field again and to live until the crop comes. But one condition, God, don't send the money through mail, because post office employees are a bunch of crooks. So they are cheaters. They are dishonest people. Postmaster thought he has done a good act. Contentment, satisfaction. The postmaster wanted to see the happiness of Lencho, but only he saw his anger and his second letter, in which he demanded 30 pesos and he remarked post office employees were a bunch of crooks. This story shows Lencho was an innocent farmer, very innocent, and staunch theist. Theist is nothing but a person who believes in God. Staunch, S-T-A-U-N, staunch theist, a strong believer of God. So we can just remember fine lines. Faith can move mountains. God sees everything. And there is one more line. No one dies of hunger. Postmaster. What about postmaster? A generous man. So God helps human beings only through another human being. So here God helped Lencho through the postmaster. But what is the beauty of this? The innocence of Lencho and his strong faith in God. Very simple story. Please go through it. Dear children, let us do these simple questions to check your understanding. Answer the following questions. Where was Lencho's house? Lencho's house was on the crest nothing but top, crest of a hill, the single house in the entire valley. What did Lencho want for a good harvest? He wanted a downpour, heavy rain, or a little shower, light. Water was very much needed for good harvest. Let us go to question number 3. How did Lencho compare the raindrops? When it rained, he was so happy. He compared the big drops of rain to 10 cent pieces and small drops to 5 cent pieces. What resembled new silver coins? Answer is hailstones. What was the single hope? He lost everything because of heavy rain. What was the single hope? Help from God. He remembered God is the help of the helpless. So last question. What was the demand of Lencho at his 2 letters? He wrote 2 letters. At his first letter, he wanted 100 pesos from God to sow his field again and to live until the crop comes. He wrote second letter for 30 pesos because postmaster sent only 70 pesos. So dear children, please go through the description box for fine notes of this wonderful lesson. A lot of pain was taken for the notes. Kindly make full use of it. Thank you.